Hey there, it's Dustin Guthrie again with Schooner Bay Realty, and today I'm at a brand new construction home out in Cape Coral. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, just under 1,900 square feet of living area home, and it's listed at $369,900, which is absolutely incredible. But the reason that I rushed out here to do this one is because the builder is offering 4.99% financing on this, and on top of that, they're offering $15,000 towards your closing costs. So between the price, a mortgage rate of under 5% and $15,000 towards your closing costs, that's absolutely no-brainer in my opinion. I think regular mortgage rates right now are close to 7.5%. So to get under 5% is absolutely nuts right now. So let's take a look at this 4-bedroom brand new construction home, and then I'll tell you a little more about these financing incentives.
By the way, if you don't know me yet, my name is Dustin Guthrie, and I'm a Southwest Florida husband and a father who's lived in this area for a long time. I'm also a near 20-year full-time Southwest Florida real estate broker, and I do multiple videos every single week. Both videos like this listing tour as well as informational videos on various Southwest Florida topics, both real estate related and not real estate related. So if you're not subscribed, do yourself a favor and subscribe to my channel. I try really hard every week to provide value to my viewers in the hopes that when the time does come, when you have a real estate need anywhere in Southwest Florida, whether you're buying or selling a property, maybe you'll reach out to me and let me help you meet your goals. I've got the knowledge, the experience, and the contacts right here in Southwest Florida to really go above and beyond for you. So please call, text, email me, whatever it takes, anytime. My contact info is down in the description of this video. Okay, so like I mentioned, this is a brand new 4-bedroom, 2 full-bath home, and this one is just about finished with just a few punch-out items left before it's ready to move in. This particular home is sold, but I wanted to show you one of these floor plans, and this one is the closest to being finished. This exact home is being built in several good areas of the northwest and southwest sections of Cape Coral, and the ones I have on my list are going to be finished and ready to move in January or February of 2024. Depending on the location, they're priced from $369,900 to $373,500, and that includes everything. The lot and all the upgrades you're seeing in this house. Every one of these homes all come with quartz countertops in the bathrooms and the kitchen, 36-inch cabinets with all the hardware, wood grain, plank, ceramic tile floors everywhere except the bedrooms. There's carpet in the bedrooms. Also comes with stainless steel kitchen appliances, a washer and dryer, ceramic tile shower walls in all the bathrooms, brick pavered driveways and covered lanais, and a full in-ground irrigation system for the yard. The builder has really managed to set these homes up to where buyers are going to be able to move in and have the lowest payment possible. Not only are they offering the 4.99% mortgage financing on these, but they're also giving buyers $15,000 towards closing costs and down payment. In addition to that, they've built most of these homes to be above the flood elevation, meaning you won't have to have any flood insurance, and that's a huge deal right now because in many cases, flood insurance is really expensive right now. In addition to all that, they're new construction and they're built to the latest hurricane standards, which means you're going to also save on windstorm insurance. All those things really add up to a much smaller monthly mortgage payment, and even if you don't need a mortgage and you're going to pay cash on the home, they're still going to give you a $10,000 seller credit at closing. You know, I don't think there's going to be another situation like this in the foreseeable future. Even when the mortgage rates come back down into the 4s, and they'll eventually get there in the next couple of years or so, but there's not going to be an opportunity to buy brand new homes like this at these price points. So this is worth looking hard at if you're planning on buying a home in Cape Coral anytime soon. And if you're a renter right now in Cape Coral, there's a solid chance that you're paying more in rent than what your monthly mortgage payment would look like on one of these. So call me and we can take a good look at what the numbers would look like for you. If you watched my last monthly market report video for the city of Cape Coral, you heard me mention that new construction homes like this one made up over 49% of the total sales for off-water single-family homes last month, and you're kind of seeing why here. If you can get a home like this that's brand new and built up to all the latest and greatest hurricane standards, plus you can get a mortgage rate under 5%, plus have a ton of your closing costs paid, plus get it for about the same price as a lot of the resale homes in the area, it really makes for a pretty easy decision as a buyer. So reach out to me. I'll give you the exact locations of these homes and tell you a little more about them and the builder. There are more than just this floor plan. Some of these homes that qualify for this low financing are as low as $329,000. So there are plenty of options out there if you don't necessarily need a 4-bedroom.
So So I will say this 4.99% financing is going away pretty quickly. I think you have to close by the end of January of 2024. So if you're in a position, call me right away. I'll give you some more details on it. I'll tell you the addresses of both this one and the other ones that qualify for 4.99% financing. There's some others that qualify for 5.99% financing that are a little bit out. So if your timeline doesn't allow you to close by the end of January, there's still some great financing options for you, but definitely get a hold of me, shoot me a text, a call, whatever it takes to get a hold of me, and I'll give you the latest and greatest information on these properties, as well as the addresses and specific price points of the different ones. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please reach up and hit the like button, and do me a favor and subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Like I said before, you will get a lot out of being subscribed to this channel. I put out multiple videos a week, do informational videos in addition to videos like this one. So go ahead and subscribe, and if I can do anything for you whatsoever, anywhere in Southwest Florida, if you're buying or selling a property, please reach out to me. Again, my contact info is right down there in the description of this video, and I've got it up on the screen as well right now. Thanks a lot again for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.